Hello my crypto fam, welcome back to my channel. In today's video my menu is one great and I would say hidden gem called LBRETT. And LBRETT isn't just another meme coin. It's a layer 2 revolution built for speed, rewards and unstoppable vibes. With a pre-sale live right now, exclusive staking perks and one of the strongest community visions in the meme space, this might just be the blockchain meme project of 2025. Definitely guys, let's break it all down.
I just want to tell you that I'm not your financial advisor. This is not your financial advice. Please do your own research before making any investments.
LBRETT, guys, is where innovation meets personality. It's more than just a meme right now, but also it's community-driven layer 2 blockchain that combines speed rewards and Ethereum scalability into one ecosystem. That's right now really big is. It's right now inspired by meme culture, but also built for a real adoption, and on that way right now the LBRETT focuses on fast and scalable transactions, seamless interoperability across chains, community-driven governance, and also exclusive rewards through the staking. Overall, you'll see in today's video that LBRETT balances meme energy with a real blockchain infrastructure. On that way, guys, giving it both culture and credibility as well. Or here you can guys dive deeper into the white paper where you can right now find out more about everything, dive deeper into the details, guys, and on that way right now expanding knowledge about LBRETT and this whole and right now really massive ecosystem that we can right now really benefit from. Also right now the audit is done. That means for us right now transparency, credibility, and of course right now boosting on that legitimacy to the project, because on that way right now they're caring about the privacy of their investors, which is right now the number one, I would say, part of every ecosystem out there. And as you can see right now, the LBRETT is following that as well. You can guys check it out as you can see over here in CoinSalt, done by CoinSalt, guys, one of the biggest platforms, guys, out there. Also right now over here the LBRETT is built on Ethereum layer 2, guys. That means for us faster, cheaper and scalable. Also we have interoperability, guys. That means we have a smooth asset transfers across the chains, decentralized governance as well, guys. Every community member helps shape the future, double rewards as well. You can right now stake LBRETT for enhanced earnings, and also right now it's secure and scalable. It's designed right now for mass adoption. Overall, guys, right now unlike the most meme tokens out there, LBRETT brings true layer 2 power on that way, making it more than just a coin. It's a platform right now, as you can see as well. So why right now LBRETT, guys, overall, when I sum it up for you? Because right now LBRETT, in my humble opinion, is something right now really different. Yes, because right now we have faster transactions, guys, lightning speed transactions, guys, and transfers for us. Lower fees, no more insane gas costs as well. Community power right now, it's built for the people by the people. Programmability as well, guys. We have smart contracts and the app supported as well, and seamless experience. That means, guys, we have staking, trading and governance all in one smooth interface, a great ecosystem over here at the LBRETT. This is right now, guys, where the memes, I'm one more time, meet mechanism, a blockchain revolution with character over there. When we're right now talking about tokenomics, guys, we can see over here the symbol is, as you can see, LBRETT. Chain is Ethereum one more time, guys. Here's 20 supply 10 billion tokens. Starting price is $0.204, guys. As you can see, the early adopters right now can enjoy lowest presale prices, exclusive staking bonuses, ultra transaction fees, guys, and governance rights as well, and early access to innovation. Overall, guys, I would say getting in at $0.204, guys, could be a game changer if LBRETT gains traction like the other top meme tokens, guys. And with the ecosystem, guys, LBRETT, I would say, has a bright future, in my opinion, as well. Over here, you are also provided with how to buy the steps, guys. You can right now, in simple 3 steps, guys, grab your LBRETT if you want, of course, by connecting your wallet, guys. They're recommending MetaMask. Make sure, guys, it's already with Ethereum USDT, or you can also right now use a fiat card. Enter the amount, guys. You can after that select your assets like Ethereum, USDT, or card, and input the amount that you want. And as well, you can instantly see how many LBRETT tokens you'll get. After that, guys, you just need to buy, or you can buy and stake it. Namely, right now you can choose between 2 options. Of course, if you want to right now earn rewards right away, you can guys execute it. But of course, if you want to stake it, just click on stake after that. Confirm in your wallet, guys, and you're done. Presale is simple, guys, fast, and designed right now for both beginners and seasoned crypto users. No excuses, guys, not to join early right now. As you can see over here on the left side, you can see right more time, guys, this is the place right now where you can connect your wallet by clicking over here on the Buy MetaMask wallet, guys. Over here you can use your network, guys, and your assets, as you can mention, guys. Enter the amount that you want to buy with, for example, 2. And over here you can see, guys, how many you're going to receive. And as you can see as well how many balance you're going to have after that. I would say, guys, it's really, I would say, straightforward, really easily to get in. But if you're not sure, guys, you can always click over here how to buy option and see, guys, how you can buy it. As you can see right now, they have raised a lot of money, almost $1.7 million, guys, and we're going to have price appreciation in the next every single stage of their pre-sale. Remember that, guys. When I translate it to you guys, right now is the best moment, of course, if someone has an interest to join in, to buy right now the LBRETT token. Also, guys, the plans are also big, guys, big ecosystem, guys. The big plans are as well. Or here you can also see the million giveaway that's coming also soon, guys, where you can also have some great rewards. Roadmaps, guys, we can expect a lot of big and things like the 15,000 members, guys, as well. Preparing token allocation, ecosystem launch, official launch after that, guys. The utilities, partnerships, guys, CXS, DXS out there, and really big things as well. The roadmap is ambitious, guys, yet realistic, guys, building right now from community hype into the full blockchain adoption step by step over there. As well, guys, they are here right now return on investment calculator, where you can see right now how many you can, guys, expect as well, guys. Of course, it depends on the market and everything in our space, but overall, this is also, I would say, the great feature, guys, where you can right now see potential, guys, earnings, name your calculator of your earnings. I would say this is also really great. Also, guys, you can also follow them work on the socials, as you can see on the XM Twitter. I'm going to follow them as well. You can right now expect the biggest announcements, the biggest news, the biggest updates, guys, and the biggest partnerships. As you can see, the Taylor Swift is mentioned as well, but I can expect overall the great things over here on the X. You're staying informed with everything that's happening in the project. Also, right now you can join over here the Telegram group, where you can right now be engaged and feel that great energy on the LBRETT with the community with almost 7,000 members as well, almost 500 people online engaged right now. You can be engaged as well. Well, guys, you can check it out as well over here the staking, where you can right now see how everything is distributed, guys, how many right now we have annual per yield as well, and also what you can expect, guys. And this is also right now the place where you can claim your rewards, guys. As you can see, these rewards will be distributed over 2 years and will be claimed once the claim goes live. Remember that. But overall, guys, I would say when I wrap it up and I sum it up right now over here at the LBRETT, in my humble opinion, guys, LBRETT isn't just a meme token. It's a layer 2 blockchain movement with a fast transaction, scalable infrastructure, staking rewards, and strong community power. With the pre-sale right now live at just $0.205, now is the perfect time to secure, I would say, position before the official launch. Definitely check the official website, connect wallet, and of course, guys, I would say think about it to join as well LBRETT movement today. But remember, this isn't just some financial advice. All my personal opinion for educational purposes, guys. Always your own research, guys, before investing. You know it already. After that, guys, leave me your thoughts in the comments down below and hit that like, share, and subscribe. It means a lot. That's also Crypto Show, guys, and I'll catch you in the next video.